In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display one event on multiple Google Calendars. Now, this can be a real lifesaver if you're juggling various responsibilities and need to ensure everyone involved stays in sync. Whether it's a work commitment or a family gathering, this method will help you seamlessly share events across different calendars. First, let's navigate to your Google Calendar. Open your web browser and head over to Google Calendar, where you should already be signed in with your account. If not, please log in before proceeding. Once you're in, locate the calendars to which you want to share the event. For each of these, you'll need to access their settings. You can do this by clicking on the calendar's options, usually represented by three dots or a gear icon, and selecting Settings and Sharing. In the settings, scroll down until you find the Integrate Calendar section. This is where you'll uncover a crucial piece of information, the calendar ID. You'll see choices like the public URL or embed code, but what we're interested in is the calendar ID. Go ahead and copy this ID because you'll need it in just a moment. Next, return to your main calendar where you want the event to originate. Create the event as you usually would, entering all the key details like the time, place, and any necessary descriptions. Think of this calendar as your primary source where the event information will be managed. Once your event details are ready, focus your attention on the Add Guests field. Here is where the magic happens. Paste the calendar ID you copied earlier into this field. Tap on the pop-up field to officially add it to the guest list. Essentially, this process ties your secondary calendar to the event on your primary calendar. Once everything looks good, save the event. You might be prompted to send invitation emails to your guests. In this context, we recommend choosing Don't Send. This way, you avoid sending unnecessary notifications about events while seamlessly integrating them. There you have it. The beauty of this system is its dynamic updating feature. Any changes you make to the event on the original calendar will automatically update on all the other added calendars. This ensures accurate communication across all platforms without the need for redundant editing. By following this procedure, you can ensure all important events are available to the necessary calendars, minimizing confusion and increasing efficiency in managing your schedule. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps if needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your calendar management.